Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix client behavior on Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you have been suddenly kicked out due to unexpected client behavior while using your Roblox, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to clear out your Roblox data. Go and open up your phone's settings, and from the settings menu scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone storage option and search for Roblox application from your iPhone storage. Once you find Roblox, tap it on and tap on Offload App. Click on Offload App option again at the bottom and wait for the application to be offloaded. Now, tap Reinstall App again in order to get the app downloaded back again. Soon after you do this, you'll be able to clear out cache data from your Roblox app. Now, once you make this change, open up your Roblox and try connecting to a server. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your Roblox app. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, search for Roblox. Once you find the application in the search result, look for an update button if there is any. Tap on Update if available, and once you download the latest version of Roblox, you might be able to solve your issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to restart your mobile device. Simply press and hold your power switch and reboot your system like you normally do. Once rebooting, go back to Roblox and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, simply delete your Roblox application from your mobile device. Press and hold the Roblox app from the app drawer and tap on the Remove App button. Tap on the Delete App button one more time in the pop-up, and once you delete your Roblox application, reinstall it back again. Go ahead and open up your Roblox and try connecting to a server to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through client behavior issue on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.